very gentle here. Let's practice one. It's been a while since you've been adjusted, okay?
Right.
Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. I'm going to follow your breath down like this. And at the end of your breath, we'll give a little push like that. And out through your mouth. Gentle, gentle, following your shoulders down. Good. We're going to follow this down. Let this go. So take a deep breath in, all the way in through your nose, far in as you can go. And then just let your shoulders sink as you breathe out. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your lumbar spine, okay? So this is how we adjust the low back. You've had this before. I'm going to move you forward just a little bit like that. And then what I'm going to do is just like bring you down like this. And then we're going to push in that direction, okay? Okay, breathe in through your nose. And out. Good. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Good. Do it again. In. And out. Lay your back. Nullius in verba.
Nullius in verba, yeah. What?
In verbe? Is verbe life? No, it's vita. Verbe, is it word, speaking? Nullius, nothing. Nothing in words.
Yes. Believe nothing in words is usually what it refers to.
Okay, let's do that again. Breathing in. Good, we're going to bring this down. And your back. We're to about here. And then right from here, we're going to push in that direction.
Okay.
Gently, softly. Just keep breathing. All you have to do is breathe. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, gentle. Just lifting. Let your head drop in. Shoulder. There you go. Okay. Close your eyes. Gentle breathing in through your nose. Good. Out through your mouth. Good. Let it drop in. Okay, so this next one, I'm going to lift your head like this. And we're going to just stretch in that direction. And I'm going to lift again. And then we're just going to pull like that, okay? Okay, breathe in through your nose. Good, and out. Again, in. And out. Let your foot relax. Let it go. You're doing great. Relax your feet. Let it go.
Oh, okay.
Squeeze. Okay, relax. Okay, squeeze. Squeeze. I'm going to pull your knees apart. Squeeze. Okay, I'm going to do an ileocecal valve. A little bit.
Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Okay. Oh, I don't feel good. Okay. Bring one arm up and over. Bring the other arm up and over here. Good. Keep your thighs to the table. We're going to first rotate you like this. Look over the shoulder for me. Flip to the other side. Flat on your back. Come on up. Come forward for me a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Arm up, bring the other arm up here. Deep breath in. And out. And relax.
Feet straight, together, and straight. There you go. On your heels. There you go. Palms up, resting on your thighs. Okay. You good with that?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm just finding the sweet spot first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just hooking the back of the mast up. There we go. Now I'm really grabbing his, on the left side, that atlas, you know, on the top. I'm also grabbing below atlas, C2, C3, just to make sure we stabilize it the best we can. And when we set it, I'm going to ask him to look up a little bit. Look up a little. There you go. Hold on. Don't push. Uno, dos, tres. Deep breathing, sir. All the way out. Deep breathing. All the way out. Deep breathing. All the way out. There it is. Good. Look at that. Home run. That was the MJ fadeaway. Let's walk back and forth. Deep breathing, sir. You got him?
I got him.
You got him?
I got him.
You got him. Home run. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's easy today. Oh, that was butter, baby. Just in a second, let me do the ears. Shoulders. Let me do it. There you go. Over, around. There you go. Squeeze my hands. Squeeze. Let's do the elbows. Don't forget about the nose. Let's go on your back. You okay? Pan him. Gotcha. That's it. Let him go. Deep breath in, sir. And out. One more time. Finger slightly up top around L5. Okay. Right there. The cobra. Good. Gotcha. A little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Stand up, sir. Check the hands. Squeeze. Squeeze. Elbow. Radial head. Squeeze. Squeeze. Ulna distal. Lunate. Lunate. One more time. That's it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Any other questions?
I don't think so.
So you'll go check with Dr. Stein. You'll check in with us. Let us know everything is good,
Absolutely.
and we'll go from there.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Appreciate it.
You got it, sir.